Start up on the stands. Under orders, they are off and racing. Testimony has missed it by 2. And Virangna takes a charge early by about 3 parts. The good of join on the outside by Alina. And Alina, the leader, crossing the 1000. Desert Sultan on a rapid improve comes Bangor On Dee to rest the initiative from Alina. They followed then by Desert Sultan. Sweet Dancer holding the fence. Now crossed the 800 meter mark, followed by Virangna, hustled a lot, another length and a half behind the City of Hustle. They followed then by Alpine Girl, another 5 behind Testimony, and Force is last. Crossing the 600 meter mark now, and it's Bangor On Dee by about 2.5 to 3 to the good of in pursuit now a Sweet Dancer, followed by Desert Sultan. They followed then by on the outside Virangna, close to the fence Alina. They followed then by Alpine Girl, followed by City of Hustle, Testimony and Force, as Bangor On Dee has extended the lead about 8 from Ridden Heart. Sweet Dancer followed by Desert Sultan. Mustering on the outside is Virangna. Inside the last 150 now, Bangor On Dee by about 4 to the good of Desert Sultan, now inching closer. Bangor On Dee, need of post by as Desert Sultan comes charging, and Bangor On Dee clinks on from Desert Sultan, followed by Sweet Dancer. They followed then by Virangna, Alpine Girl, Testimony, City of Hustle, followed by Alina, and finishing last Force.